I know a lot of people love sausage gravy, and I get it, but I have to tell you, bacon gravy is my favorite. So first we're going to start off with 8 ounces of bacon. We want to brown the bacon so we can get some of those nice bits on the bottom of the pan, because that oil and those bits is what's going to give our gravy a lot of flavor. We're going to be using powdered milk in this recipe, so it's 1 cup of water to 1/3 cup of milk powder. Two tablespoons of flour, we're going to sprinkle the flour in the pan. We want to whisk, whisk, whisk. We're going to make a lighter roux. The idea is to get the flour taste out of the flour. We're going to brown the flour enough to get rid of the flour taste. As long as you whisk, whisk, whisk while you add the milk, you won't get lumps. So you can serve this gravy over a biscuit, or you could have the full meal of hash browns, biscuits, and bacon. Leave a message in the comments if you make this recipe and how you liked it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.